Now, the health department says vaccine updates has decreased over the last 7 to 10 days, despite the prevalence of the Omicron variant, with research showing vaccination is effective against serious illness and hospitalisation. Why aren't people getting jabbed? For more on this, eNCA reporter Slindelo Masikane joins us live. Good afternoon, Slindelo. What do you know about the decreasing numbers in the vaccination drive at this point?
So following that briefing by the Health Ministry, which we get weekly every Friday, we know that the Health Ministry has announced that they are seeing a decrease in the numbers. And this is after the announcement of the Omicron variant was announced by scientists in the country. What the department has seen was actually quite an increase in the number of people going to get their jabs. But 7 to 10 days later, we are seeing that that number is slowly declining. But there are a number of factors that can be attributed to that. We are in the midst of the festive season. We know that we're just coming into a long weekend, but also that there is still a lot of vaccine hesitancy in the country. As it stands, we still don't have enough people getting vaccinated in order for us to have herd immunity. And so the call is for people to at least vaccinate before they go on their vacations. And if they don't get vaccinated within their provinces, then to take up that opportunity in the various other provinces. Now, we were at the Bara vaccination site earlier today, and we did speak to one of the officials around what they're seeing in terms of the numbers of people coming to get vaccinated. Let's take a listen.
The numbers that we've seen today are a bit less. I guess because it's the weekend and we from the public holiday, and most people have gone home since it's festive season. But regarding the people who are coming to get the jab, they feel it's the right thing to do, and remember, because of the stadiums that are open and they want to go out and be free and be happy as it's a festive season. So what we're getting now in hospitals is people. Most people are getting sick, but what we've learned is that people who have been vaccinated, they're getting lesser or minor side effects or minor conditions. Now the numbers of the babies and the pregnant women that have not been vaccinated, they are getting more sick. So which means there's more numbers of people who are not yet vaccinated, and then that's why there was a talk of kids being vaccinated, because of the numbers of the under 5s that are getting more sick.
Now, Slindelo, you also spoke to some who got their jabs today. What did they have to say?
Many of those who I actually spoke to are getting their jabs for the first time, and I think in the run-up to the festive season, it's a good thing for them. They're saying they want to protect themselves and their families, and they are seeing, the effects the coronavirus has had not only on our economies, but in terms of the lack of socialization that we cannot do here in the country at this point. So they're saying that they want to take up this opportunity, and they're encouraging others as well to ensure that they get their jabs as well. Let's take a listen.
Today is the first day to me, so I don't know what's happened, but now I'm already vaccinated for the first time. So, and then I have a date for next time when I come here.
Why did you want to come and get vaccinated today?
I just want to make myself safe for a corona.
First jab, I want to be vaccinated so that I can be on the safe side, and the other diseases, they won't come to me to catch the other diseases.
No, that's very commendable, even though it is the festive season, that people want to still go and prioritize getting their jabs. Thank you very much. That's eNCA Slindelo Masikane bringing us that report.